Hey dear friends, welcome to Komanga. Today we are going to create a color changing car like this. So could you take a look at it? Then let the tutorial begin. Here I have already added the video into a new composition. And now I'm going to add an effect to this video layer named Change to Color. Here you can see from and to. Yes, it's as you think. Directly select the color you want to change with the eyedropper and from. I am picking a color from here. As you can see, it hasn't changed fully. Just change the hue value and fix it. Yeah, that's it. Now let's change the to color and see the magic. See this? It's time to animate from one color to another. For that, add a keyframe into it the first frame by clicking the stopwatch. Then change the timeline into the last frame and change the color as you want. I am selecting green color. Now easily select those keyframes and tap F9. So it'll be easy ease. Boom. It's done. This was this much easier, right? Then do subscribe to get more easiest tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.